In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use this machine to bind papers together for projects such as books, booklets, and more. Some safety precautions are to keep loose clothing and hair tied back, don't leave the machine unattended while heating, and never touch the heating element directly. Insert the glue strip into the spine of your book. Then line up your pages into the spine. Turn on the machine with the power switch on the front of the machine. The machine will beep when it's ready. Select how much time you want it to heat up. Pull the lever to open the slot and place the book spine into the slot. The machine will beep when it's finished. Remove your project from the machine and place it in the cooling rack. Power off the machine when finished. Finally, take out your book.